Want to make your videos pop with a cool border? Let's dive in. First, open Capcut and tap on New Project. Select the video you want to add a border to and tap Add at the bottom right corner. Okay, now that your video is on the timeline, look for the ratio button at the bottom. It looks like a rectangle. Tap on it. Here you'll see different aspect ratios. Select the ratio that matches your video's original format. This is important to avoid unwanted cropping later on. For most videos, that will be 16:9 or 9:16. Now, go back to the main editing toolbar and tap on Canvas. It's right next to ratio. This is where the magic happens. You'll see three options: color, background, and blur. Let's start with color. Tap on color. Here you can choose any solid color you like for your border. Scroll through the colors and tap on the one you prefer. I'm going to select white for this example. See, a simple, clean border. But let's say you want something more interesting. Go back to the Canvas menu by tapping the back arrow. This time, select background. Here, you can choose from a variety of pre-designed backgrounds that will act as your border. Scroll through the options and select one that complements your video. There are patterns, gradients, and even abstract designs. Cool, right? If you want to adjust the blur of the background, you can also go back to the main Canvas screen and select blur. Capcut offers several levels of blur. Choose one that looks good with your video. A slight blur can add a nice, subtle effect. Now, there's one more thing you might want to do. If the border seems too thick, you can adjust the size of the video within the frame. Simply pinch and zoom in on the video in the preview window until you get the border thickness you desire. And there you have it. Multiple ways to add awesome borders to your videos in Capcut. Experiment with different colors, backgrounds, and blur effects to create a unique look. Now go create something amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Capcut tips and tricks.